Hey guys, so it has been about 8 days since the last time I've been able to post a video, and it sucks. I miss you guys. I miss being away from the community. There's been a lot of stuff in my personal life that has gotten to me. It was a thing where we actually had to leave our apartment for a few days because it had some issues that needed to be worked out and to be thoroughly cleaned and stuff like that. We had mold. And then as well, hitting right from that into my schoolwork for the entire week and my job, just a whole bunch of stuff piling up got me to a pretty difficult point. So I haven't been able to make a video, but I'm hoping that can change here now that I'm finally starting to get a little bit of time. Out here, you know, we're staying, we're not staying at our apartment currently, so it's a thing where it's hard for me to live stream, it's hard for me to get out content to you guys, but I'm hoping that I can still find a way to stream a little bit of information out to you guys when I can, because I miss you. It sucks feeling detached from the community. But I'm here and I am continuing to try and make progress with Aeternia, and we're going to be trying to get out more and more information to you guys about what I've been doing and about what we're going to be doing in the future. So hang tight, we're going to be coming with some new content.
I just want to talk to. I didn't like talking to strangers at all, so I didn't ever do it.